Hello, my name is Mateo and I'll be teaching you how to play Connect 4 in this simple tutorial. So Connect 4 is a strategy game which consists of two teams with one person on each team. The goal of the game is to get 4 pieces of your color in a horizontal, vertical, or diagonal line. Here's an example. As we see, horizontal, vertical, or diagonal line is the only way to win. You can't do any other way to win. The first person to make a line like this wins. You will place the pieces one by one on top. And you release the bottom to let go of the pieces, as you see here in this difficult demonstration. So if you go first, you place down a piece and then the enemy goes, and that's how you do this. This is a strategy game because there's various types of strategies to win your opponent. Like if you try to make a trap, like if you put 3 this way in the beginning and they were just doing some random things over here, you can win. They can't stop you, so that's a trap. That's one strategy you can do. And I'll show you an example game to demonstrate how Connect 4 works. So usually red goes first. So I place down a piece, and then another person placed down a piece. So let's see. As you see, we both go one by one.
You're ready to end it, or did you already edit it?
Sorry for the background noises. Oh, whoops. I lost! And that's how the game works. First person that gets it wins. And that's basically Connect 4 in a nutshell.